Hey there, welcome to SOLIDBugs, your favorite channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install FFmpeg on Windows. After this fulminant, exciting intro is finished, we'll jump straight into the process of downloading FFmpeg. Now, let's start by heading over to the official FFmpeg website. Wait, don't roll your eyes just yet. It's not as boring as it sounds. Just think of it as hunting for treasure, except this treasure comes with a side of frustration. But hey, all good stories have a little drama, right? Once you're on the site, locate the download link. And remember, we are looking for the Windows builds. If you accidentally download something else, well, let's not even go there. There are two links, and I recommend using the one down below, labeled Windows Builds by BTBN. Click that tantalizing link and prepare to navigate through a sea of confusing options. Don't worry, it's not as stormy as it sounds. You'll probably see a list of files that look like they belong in an advanced math exam. Just scroll down until you find the file that says something like FFmpeg Master Latest Wins 64. After the download is complete, we need to unzip that file. Think of it like opening a birthday present, except instead of a new gadget, you're getting a ton of files that look like they've been scattered from an overzealous digital squirrel. Once you've unzipped the contents, find the folder that emerged from that pile. Now, here's where the magic happens. Rename the folder to FFmpeg. Now that we've got our FFmpeg folder neatly renamed and ready to go, it's time to cut it and paste it into the program files directory. Yes, it's that magical place where all the important software lives, probably sipping cocktails and having existential conversations about the meaning of binaries. Inside the FFmpeg folder, there's a subfolder called bin. This is where you'll find everything you need to actually use FFmpeg. Now, remember, just because you've moved FFmpeg doesn't mean it has a license to be lazy. We need to add it to our system's path variable next, because let's face it, we're not about to type out that entire file path every time we want to use it. Press the new button and let's add the full path to the bin folder. This is where the real magic happens, folks. Press OK to close the edit environment variable window. And then shut down all those open windows like you're kicking out unwanted guests from a party. We want a clean state before we dive into the fun. Now, it's time to open the terminal. So go ahead and find that trusty command prompt. You can usually do this by searching for CMD in the start menu. Once you've got it open, prepare yourself. This is where the real show begins. Just picture it. The terminal is your virtual stage, and you're about to perform some command line magic. Are you excited yet? Let's see if FFmpeg is ready to play nice. Type in FFmpeg and hit enter. If all goes well, you should see a bunch of information pop up, confirming that our installation was successful. If you see that glorious text, congratulations! You've just summoned FFmpeg from its lair, and you're officially ready to work wonders with your videos. Goodbye, and may your video editing adventures be both epic and devoid of frustration. Until next time.